I'm Tom Herman. I'm the product manager for Werner Electric Services.
I'm Shelley Christensen, product specialist for services.
And today we'd like to talk to you about a service offering that we have called an install base evaluation. And an install base evaluation, we ask to find out if you have information regarding your critical assets within your facility, and can you make market data decisions based on those assets and their obsolescence.
Before we begin, I would like to ask some questions. Do you have an accurate plant model that identifies all the physical assets in your facility? Do you have an updated, complete bill of materials for your critical assets? Do you know which parts are still being manufactured or discontinued? Do you have the right spare parts on hand if a critical machine goes down? Do you have an efficient, accurate process to maintain your storeroom inventory?
If you answered no to any of these questions, the install base evaluation will help you gain that knowledge so you can make decisions within your facility.
An installed base evaluation provides a catalog and location of every spare and active part in your facility. We identify critical spares, and it provides a life cycle analysis of each part. The IBE information will enable you to optimize your inventory levels, reduce inventory costs by eliminating excess inventory, reduce plant downtime, improve your strategic maintenance plan, and mitigate risks associated with supporting legacy equipment.
With an IBE, you'll gain a better understanding of your critical plant assets, where they're located, what your inventory spares are, and their obsolescence, so that way you can make decisions regarding your future of your company. If you'd like more information regarding our install base evaluation services, please contact one of your Werner Electric representatives.